Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we've been up to a wonderful little restaurant called Cafe Blue, up in the edge of the Blue Mountains, and we had some blue coffee, some Blue Mountain coffee. And I had a spicy jerk chicken panini, and Madge had a, what'd you have? Tell them what you had, sweetie, nice and loud.
Bagel and lox.
Bagel and
salmon.
Bacon and salmon. Okay. And we're going down the hill here from there, and just turned on the cameras. You can join us. We didn't take our cameras into the little cafe, obviously, because you didn't see a video about it. It was just kind of our little private time, and we really enjoyed it. And we're sorry you didn't get to join us, but maybe next time, because I think that's a place I would definitely go back. There's no doubt in my mind that was worth the drive. The veranda up there was so nice. And sometime we'll plan on just coming here, and I'll bring the proper tripods and stuff to do a nice little meal there in the corner like we had, but I'll have the proper equipment. I came equipped today to do a car video, and that's what we're doing, people. We're doing a car video, and we're going to have some fantastic views coming down here. You're probably already having fantastic views right now. Hopefully it's okay not having my sun's shades on. I always have to talk about my sunshades, you know. But they're not on. They'll probably blow off because I'm going to go too fast. But what a view. What a view we have coming down here. And here's a little place for sale. It's a commercial property. I'm sure you can live up in the second story, though. But look at this road. It's a little one-lane road at parts, and some parts it's 2 lanes, and some parts it's supposed to be 2 lanes, but it's washed out down to 1, or has the landslides down to 1. But it's just nice up here. It's just nice.
Tranquil.
Yeah.
Tranquility.
Anyway, people, I wanted to thank everybody who has subscribed. I am gonna believe that by the time you all see this video, we're gonna be 10,000 subscribers. I just feel like we're so close. If we're not, and you look and, oh, we're not 10,000 subscribers yet, please, people, subscribe straight away, because we're that close. We're really that close. We just can't hardly wait, you know? It's a big milestone for us. Who would have thought when we started up this YouTube over 5 years ago?
Over 5 years?
Mm-hmm. We started over 5 years ago, or when not doing this. We were doing different kinds of things. We were doing some dash cam stuff. I'd gotten myself a Nikon camera, and I'd done some filming with it, and just different things, you know.
When we were in the States, we were doing YouTube.
Yeah, remember I was doing YouTube. We went to the zoo and I did a YouTube of it and all that stuff. They're still out there. People want to go and look at the Denver Zoo. They can watch our YouTube of it.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, sweetie. That's all on there, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Yes, indeed.
It's so long.
Hmm?
I heard you said it's 4 years now since she's a YouTuber.
Mitchie B?
D.
Mitchie Boo?
D, not
Oh, D.
Mitchie,
Oh, D. D's been 4. Yeah, so we've been doing YouTube for 5 years.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, but I got serious about 9 months ago.
Ah, okay.
And I've gained probably 5,000 subscribers since I got serious about it. I just, you know, I tried different things. Over the years, and this is finally something that caught on. But
so it's just 9 months since you take it.
Since we've taken it and done this.
Yeah, so that's what I
And even all the way we do it right now compared to 9 months ago is not even quite the same, because we only had a single camera. Remember, I used to stick my hand out the window and hold the camera on a selfie stick. And
it's just a few months ago since
we're doing it this way, and you know, I tried all these things trying to get YouTube going and just couldn't get things going. But I wasn't really doing things that were really, you know, the joy of our heart. We love what we're doing now, people. And I think that's why people enjoy riding along, because they can sense how much we enjoy it. That's my story, and I'm sticking with it, sticking to it. Well, it's a beautiful day. So nice and cool up here. Oh my goodness sakes, people. Sitting on that veranda. And while we were there, a tour bus, a vacation bus came. And all kinds of people came in. All kinds of people. And we were just finishing up. And the place got terribly crowded. Not terrible in a bad way, terrible in a just a lot of people.
They have let us sit in here, though.
Yeah. But I'm so glad we got there when we did.
Yeah.
Because we got our order in and didn't have to wait long for our food at all.
Right.
And she even told me what I had, that spicy jerk chicken Panera. That was the last one. That was the last one they had. So I don't know what everybody else is going to eat. There's plenty on their menu, but I'm so glad I got that, because I had, from when I looked online and I saw that, I had that on my mind. Yep, the Blue Cafe. But we'll go back there. I think we need to go back there and do a video sometime when I have the right, take a tripod in there and set it up in the little corner and everything, and so it's not shining on other people, just showing us.
Yeah.
Do a little multi-cam session and show our meal and our interaction with the waitress. We'll have to get a waitress that's in favor of doing such a thing, that she doesn't feel pressured to do it, and so that they're comfortable. Because if you're doing what you enjoy, you're gonna be more natural, and that's what we found for us. Tell us how you're feeling, sweetie, unless you don't want to tell the camera. You're struggling a little bit suddenly. It couldn't be what you ate. What you ate shouldn't hurt you.
No, it was, my stomach was kind of feeling funny.
Was he feeling a little funny? Well, yesterday, the way you were, I was concerned that your stomach was going to start in again, but
The way
just the way, just your demeanor, I could kind of sense that something was not quite right with you, as far as you weren't feeling 100%, So, but just relax, sweetie. Just relax, enjoy the sights, and I'll stick with the road. We'll just take our time, and I don't want to jump ahead too far, but I'm kind of dreaming about when we get down here ways, driving over towards Jack's Hill, but taking the Skyline Drive to get there, or the Sunset Drive, or whatever it's called. But look at this. Let's talk about what we're seeing here. The little shops along the road. But nothing's really open, though. And it's still tourist. It's still, touristy season. Well, that place is open, it looks like. Just not a lot of people around.
lot of shades.
Really nice drive. Really a nice drive through here. I'm really enjoying it. I'm enjoying this drive more than the drive up. For some reason. Maybe it's because I got food in my belly. And I thought about it, and I probably should have. I probably should have got a bottle of water while we were there. I talked about how I didn't have any water. But, it wouldn't be cheap. Now, see how this kind of goes to one lane and then back to two?
Because maybe some part is so narrow that it's can't do two.
Or it washed away. Because, see, there's such steep places along in here that when it rains, then it can wash away. And you notice there's not a lot of black dirt here. And I was thinking it was just the soil type, but maybe it's just that it kind of leaches down to the rock so much. I don't know. You can see the sign in front of us, people. Shows falling rocks. And you will see places where the road is not full width because there's been falling rocks. Like right here, like right here.
Garden.
Like right here when it rains. This will block the road. Oh,
Yes,
wow.
they come
Oh,
over here too.
I wish I'd have gone just a little bit slower right there. I'm sorry, people. Well, you have to pause your TV and go back and take another peek at it, but that would kind of show. Oh, and here's where they take some of the dirt and pile it up.
Yeah.
I noticed that going up, and I wonder what that was. But that's what it is. They pile up the dirt. When the dirt falls down, and see along here, look how on the other lane, when I was coming up
Yeah.
earlier today, I had to kind of drive more in this lane because over here, there's all that dirt has washed down.
See the choose.
See, you can see where they've thrown the dirt over. Yeah, and then right up here too. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, see right there? You
Yeah.
can see where, oh, look at, they've had a
And
landslide.
slip bridge. See,
Big landslide
see where
there.
they pour things down here, so too. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What a lovely drive. This is so nice. Wish you were filmed a little bit better, sweetie. So you could enjoy this more. Oh, look at the fresh rocks right here that fall.
You see the choose over here too.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. It's very steep right here.
See, they're tear down.
Oh,
And they
yes.
pour it over here.
Look at it. Look at that, where that landslide was.
And they throw it.
Woo! Mm-hmm. Here's that road I was saying. You better know where the road is. Look at that. I'm not going down there. I would never go down there.
Is a house down here?
There's a road. Like you can drive there.
Oh.
If I had a Jeep with a winch on it to pull myself back up, I might go down there. But otherwise, I don't think you're going to catch me trying to go down that road.
I don't want to walk down there either. It's too steep.
Yeah, I would fall. I'd lose my balance and fall for sure. Yeah, you can see the house, how far down in there it goes from that. Maybe the side camera caught that. I don't know. You know, I almost didn't run the cameras coming back down. I thought, well, this is just going to be a repeat of what we saw. It's not. We're seeing things from a totally different viewpoint. I'm so glad that this is actually, in some ways, a lot more spectacular than we were driving up. Other than we were driving up, we had a lot of anticipation. It was a big exploration, you know. We didn't know what to expect. Here we got
Maybe someone else.
Elshire Way and Elixir, whatever. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, look. See where the wire goes clear up to the top there?
Yeah. So I wonder if it's more than one house up there.
It could be. It sure could be. And then here's another road goes up, though.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Start up those good shot.
Okay. Oh, look how that road is
Yeah.
washed out from underneath it.
I don't know how that gonna be fixed.
Yeah, they're going to have to tear it out worse to fix it.
Yeah, yeah.
So. You know, it's like that's so steep that what little grass is there can't hardly grow unless it's just raining all the time. I don't know. It's
Yeah, you dirt.
The dirt just doesn't hold
Can't
there.
sustain.
Can't hold and can't sustain the grass either.
That's why they look so brown here.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what will hold back the dirt.
That's what's holding it back is the roots. But
yeah.
and then this rock,
I can't
that
believe-
rock there came from up there. You know that.
Mhm. I mean, the road and house under the road, I would not want my house to be there because vehicle can come over and
Mm-hmm.
come
Mhm.
right in on your house.
I'm kind of with you. I'm with you, sweetie. If I'm going to have a house in here, I want it to be on the top side, not on the bottom side.
You're right. Yes.
Yeah, the bottom side seems a little bit. There's a Subaru Forester. That's a good vehicle for Jamaica people.
It's going fast.
If you're looking for a good vehicle, we love our little Subaru. It's small enough for these small roads. It's strong enough. With the price of gas, it's not too terrible. Although, you know, last time we filled up, it was over 10,000. So, somebody was asking me about that, what it costs to fill up.
A lot of
No.
tearing down.
Speaking of filling up, if somebody wanted to help me with gas, there's a couple things you can do. There may be a super thanks on my, depending on what country you're in. And the other thing is, I do have a PayPal set up that you can go to. If you go to my channel page, I've got a link there. And some of my videos, I was putting a link in the description, but not all of them. So, but if you go to my channel page, you for sure can find a link to my PayPal. And you can donate directly into my PayPal. And that helps me with the gas price, you know, the gas cost. So, because this, you know, this is not, it's not a cheap hobby we have here when it comes to doing all this driving. But I'm thankful that we're able to do this in our retirement, and it just works out that we can, you know, we can do it, and we can bring you all along. If you all feel like you want to help us with that, great. But if not, just keep watching, keep enjoying. Don't trouble yourself. Don't trouble yourself one little bit. Just be sure and hit that like button. Trouble yourself on the like button and the subscribe button and the share button and the comments. But don't trouble yourself on that other. Unless you just feel, you know, you feel like it's something you can do and want to do, great. But don't trouble yourself. So, got anything to add to that, sweetie?
I agree with what you say.
Yeah.
No worries.
Yeah, no worries either way. We love you all the same. Check here, see where that road went, but that road goes somewhere else. Where does that road go? It goes to Maryland Road or something. I don't know where that was, but sometime it'd be fun when we're going to Portland to come this way, sweetie. To go over to Portland and go through go through the Defense Force training place up there. Not for the sake of going there, but just that you have to drive through that parade ground to go to the other side. Go through the national park, or the Blue Mountain National Park.
Oh, those two big houses, those are must be some guests. Oh, it's so many stories.
You know?
Two of them. When we were around, I was looking down on the top.
Look at the brands. There must be a rental place. This is rental here.
Yeah.
Oh, I know if that's part of it, because the road goes up there. That's part of this complex here. Oh, it's all part of it, sweetie.
Okay.
Yeah. Huh. You can't even see up there now, but you can maybe see the wall through my left camera.
Yeah.
Oh, that's up there hot. But yeah, that's all part of that. Now I see that. Yeah. That's all part of that.
It's nice.
Yeah. Wouldn't that be nice to have a place up here? And at the same time, places with these beautiful views and such are real nice, but at some point you're just in your house, you're not really staring out the window, and if you want a good view, we've always kind of contended that maybe you appreciate these views more if you just kind of randomly go see them, or go, and then when you're there you really appreciate them more. If you're there all the time, you don't appreciate it maybe as much.
No.
So look at these houses up here.
I'll leave it some.
Now where are those at?
See us place up. Even my house is up.
Is that the backside of Beverly Hills?
Well, maybe.
You know, I wonder if that is.
Maybe.
I'm not sure. I'd have to study the map to know for sure what that is up there. I wonder if going up the altitude so quick too might have affected you. Because you know, when you had trouble before, it was when we been on the plane, and so perhaps the sudden altitude change somehow affects you. Oh. So maybe once we get back down, you'll be better. Once we get down to the not such a high altitude. I don't know what altitude we went up to there. I probably have some altimeter on one of my phones, but I didn't even think to check it.
Mm.
But we'll do that. I'll go back and look. No, I can't look at the altimeter, but I do have a topographical map. I could go back and look at. I'm not using my topographical map like I normally do today, because I'm not really going through neighborhoods per se, where that really is so helpful to me. I'm just using regular Google Maps right now, and I got it turned on quiet so y'all don't have to listen to the Google lady over and over tell you about turning and stopping and what have you, because she will keep you awake, you know. Big construction down in there. Yeah.
Are they doing road?
Yeah.
I think this place is selling. This sign is.
You saw a for sale sign, you say?
What is that?
Oh yeah, the realtor sign. It's behind me. I can't see it, but on the video before, I think you'll see that on the video before.
That's it.
doesn't even seem like the same road going this direction.
Yeah, different.
Sometimes you'll just see a couple things, you say, oh, this looks different, or I like this angle, but this seems like a totally different road to me. It doesn't even seem like the same trip. Now, the side cameras may look a lot like it did, but the front camera is going to have a totally different look to it. Plus, it's a little bit different time of day, too, because we ate up there and all, so.
Just imagine when the rain fall.
Imagine, yes, when it's heavy rain coming down there. Oh boy, my ears feel like they just could pop.
Oh, there's like a reservoir right
I wonder if it somehow feeds the Mona, or this comes out of the Mona or something. I don't know where the Mona is, but we could see it from up there. I think it's the Mona.
Yeah.
I don't know the name of the reservoir for sure, but I've seen, I think that's the name I've seen on something.
Yeah, Mona Reservoir.
Yeah. Oh, something beeped. I don't know if that was your phone or what, but just leave it. Yeah, just leave it. Might have been mine. Here. Well, I'm holding up somebody who was in a big hurry to go down the hill here. So. So we'll let those people hurry past.
Back on the low.
Okay, people, we made it to the bottom. So thanks for joining us on this quick little trip down the hill. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Later and
Amen.
amen. Okay, I end that one.